Chinese lens companies have been doing some really exciting, affordable options these days. And today, I'm taking a look at the TT Artisans 56mm F1.8 lens with autofocus. The lens cap feels a little plastic-ish, but what lens cap doesn't? But I do like how the lens hood sits really flush and secure. However, what's really mind-blowing is the USB-C port on the rear lens cap, which I'm assuming is for lens updates and calibration, very hopefully for keeping up with Fuji's AF firmware updates. There are no buttons or rings anywhere else on the lens aside from the AF ring, which sucks, but your camera has dials, so if you have to, you'll get used to this. And just to keep focusing on negatives, the lens hood and lens cap don't really work well together. As far as optical performance goes, things are average in the corners at f1.8 and fine in the middle. What I'd call commercially very usable after about f2.2, and things are fantastic between f4 to f8. But let's be honest here, that's exactly what you'd expect, or should I say exactly what you'd hope for, from a lens that is so insanely cheap. However, what has really shocked me, and I'm unsure if this is also because I've just changed from the X-H2S to the X-T5, is that the autofocus out of this lens for both photo and video work, at least for me on 2 commercial jobs I used this lens on, the autofocus was locked on and super sticky. I'm going to be honest here, this felt like a vast improvement compared to quite a few of my Fujifilm lenses. Sorry Fujifilm. So to quickly recap, you'll get sharper than you need if you spend way more, but you'll save a ton and get what feels like better autofocus results if you buy the TT Artisans 56mm F1.8 lens. I'm not sure how they've done it so cheap, but it'll surprise you, and I like it.